Before carrying out a calibration check, the thermometer, the calibration standard, and the instrument were placed together in a location where the temperature was stable for at least 1 hour before commencing the calibration check. This was to allow for thermal equilibration. To begin a calibration check, switch the instrument on by pressing the power button once. Wait for the display to show 0.00. Next, take your calibration standard and remove both end plugs. Then, insert the instrument nozzle into the sampling end of the calibration standard. To ensure a good seal around the instrument nozzle, apply gentle pressure to the calibration standard against the instrument when taking a sample. Then, press the S button and wait until the internal sampling pump stops before removing the standard from the instrument. Replace the end plugs and ensure that they are securely fastened. Once the instrument has finished analyzing the sample, the concentration will be displayed. Refer to the lookup table printed on the calibration standard, as well as making sure to take the thermometer reading of the room. If the displayed reading is within 5% of the value shown in the table, then no recalibration is required. Otherwise, follow the procedure in the calibration adjustment video.